Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So, Dollar General quarter sale is a go next Tuesday, January the 23rd. So, if you need to go into work a little later, get your quarters ready and get out to the store at the crack of crow when they open up so you can get the best stuff. So, we're going to just talk about, I've been shopping this sale for I think the last 5 years over at the Dollar General, and it's absolutely fantastic when you can get like a $10 item for a quarter. It's not like 90% off. They're trying to move everything out the doors very quickly, and sometimes shoppers will fill up like 7 carts and then there's nothing left. But just be mindful that merchandise moves very, very quickly, and the more that you're prepared for this, the easier go you'll have at finding what you're looking for. I will recommend, guys, is to head out to your store and scout, meaning what do they have? Is this worth your time? Is this worth taking the morning off of work? And then when the 23rd rolls around, if you can get out there right away, typically shoppers will head out there at first thing and start filling up carts. And you definitely want to be there right away. And then the following week, on the 30th, the remaining Christmas merchandise will ring up for 10 cents. And then the following week after that, on the February the 6th, it'll probably be a penny, whatever's left. It is the Christmas stuff only. And from the comforts of your home, around 5 a.m., if you want to check on the 23rd, scan this barcode. If it's ringing up a quarter, you know you are in business. It's that easy. So yesterday I actually went out to a couple of stores and I was just looking around and I'm like, what's left? What stores are going to be good to shop at? And the elusive air care that a lot of people are looking for, I found a lot of it staged at the front of many stores. Like, people do not want that pumpkin spray anymore. And one store, my gosh, they had tables all over the place of just like, here's all the Christmas stuff that nobody bought. Typically, newer stores, too, are a great place to go to because people aren't really shopping there, and you might hit the mother load of stuff. Your store might be cleared out, though. Who really knows? But lots of the cool little holiday stockings, a lot of air care. They try to stage it at the front to get you to just grab these items. And when they're a quarter, I mean, that's a really good price point for all of this stuff. Definitely walk around where you thought the air care was on different end caps or whatever, because some stores, they don't have the manpower to move it. So you might hit this mother load and be like, oh my God, that's my Price is Right moment. So for the air effect sprays, I'm just going to do a quick matchup for you. So if you want to scan this on the 23rd, it should be ringing up for a quarter. Air care is always part of this. And then we have this digital coupon, which is a $3.30 off of 2, a very good coupon. So just doing some basic math for you, like to try to get more stuff on the cheap. At a non-updated store, you'll have to do this. Grab 2 of those Febreze Air Effect Christmas scents for 50 cents. $3.30 off of 2 digital. You're getting $2.80 of overage, meaning you can get 11 quarter items for free. And that is the way to do it. So if you are scouting your store and you're like, oh my God, there's this and this, and then if you go first thing, you might just be able to line this up and get a bunch of stuff for next to nothing, which is like always your Price is Right moment. Now, with the Airwick, is this little oil and an extra oil with it. The pumpkin one, no one's wanting that. Here's the UPC for this guy. It should be a quarter next Tuesday. And we have a digital coupon, which is $1.75 off of one of these. And we're going to look at the math for that. And this one doesn't expire till February, so you are in for this one to use it for a bit. But grabbing one of these at a non-updated store, 25 cents, that's $1.50 of overage, so you can get 6 quarter items. So how wonderful is that? I mean, even look in the air care aisle, you don't know where some of these will end up, side cap, end caps. It's not always the most obvious place. So if you have a little bit of time to really scout, yeah, it's worth it. I always like to look for these too. It's a double pack of the Glade candles, and I found a bunch last year, and it was so great at this one store. I'll never forget it. And the Dollar General double packs of the candles, too, are also really nice. Here is one of the barcodes for this. So definitely, I mean, if you have a couple free minutes to scout, I would. A couple other pieces of info. Are the plastic containers included? Food, pajamas? I'm not sure, guys. It's going to be one of these things that we're just going to have to wait and see how the Tuesday folds out. There might be even mystery items that just pop up out of nowhere, and you'll be like, wow, I can't believe that. But we'll just have to wait and see what is and is not included. Let's not forget to look in this little display. They might have changed it around, but a couple candles might have ended up in the regular candle section as well. I always like to look there. And at updated stores, you'll just get the items for free with the digital coupons. At non-updated stores, overage. So just another piece of info. I'm going to link my haul from last year if you want to see what I got. It's always worth heading out for the Dollar General quarter event. It's certainly an event I always get excited about. To get a whole table of stuff for next to nothing, that's totally what couponing is all about. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.